Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to crop, resize, and stretch sources in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS Studio application on your computer. Once the app launches, you'll see your main workspace with various panels and your preview window displaying your current scene setup. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your active sources like webcams, display captures, images, and other elements are listed. Click on the specific source you want to modify, whether that's a webcam feed, an image overlay, or any other element you've added to your scene. Clicking on it will select that source and prepare it for editing. Before you can make any adjustments, you need to ensure the source isn't locked. If a source is locked, you won't be able to move or modify it at all, which is a protective feature to prevent accidental changes during live streams or recordings. So make sure that lock icon isn't enabled on your selected source. Once your source is properly selected and unlocked, you'll notice a red outline appear around it in the preview window. This red border indicates that the source is active and ready for manipulation. At each corner of this red outline, you'll see small red squares. These are your resize handles, and they're essential for adjusting your source. To resize your source while maintaining its original proportions, simply grab any of these red corner handles and drag them inward to make the source smaller, or outward to make it larger. The source will scale proportionally, keeping its aspect ratio intact, so nothing looks distorted or stretched unnaturally. This is perfect when you want to adjust the size of your webcam or an image without changing how it looks. However, if you need to stretch the source freely without maintaining those proportions, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while dragging any corner handle. This gives you complete freedom to stretch the source horizontally or vertically as much as you want, which can be useful for fitting elements into specific areas of your scene or creating unique visual effects. Now, if you want to crop your source instead of resizing it, the process is slightly different. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, then grab and drag any corner handle. You'll notice that instead of resizing the entire source, you're actually trimming away parts of it from the edges. This cropping technique is incredibly useful when you want to remove unwanted portions of a screen capture or hide specific parts of an image without affecting the rest of your scene layout. And there you have it. You now know how to resize, stretch, and crop any source in OBS Studio using these simple keyboard shortcuts and dragging techniques. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.